Are you looking for an all-in-one package for when you are upgrading, backing up, or cloning your various drives? Well, the SABRENT NVMe and 2.5-inch and 3.5-inch SSD and hard disk drive converter has you covered. This thing is packed full of features and I honestly can't wait to tell you about it. Hello everyone, my name's Mike and here at SABRENT we love to make and talk tech. So if that's what you're into, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. So first, let's see what you get in the box and then talk about some of its key features. So first of all, in the box, you've got the instruction manual, which will go over some of the features as well as highlighting how to use the device itself. You then get your region-specific 12-volt 2-amp power adapter. You get a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. You get an extra fastening clip as well as an extra thermal pad. And lastly, you get the converter itself. As you can see, this device is really small and this is great for new drive installations, upgrades, data backups, and general cloning needs. This is something that you can easily throw in your bag and is super lightweight and has a lot of flexibility. So if we open up the top, as you can see, we have an opening where you can insert a wide range of different NVMe SSDs, making it great if you are switching or upgrading your drive in your PC or laptop. This slot also includes a silica thermal pad to regulate the M.2's drive's temperature to prevent performance throttling so that you can work on your drive without any worries. To insert an M.2 drive into the enclosure, all that you need to do is grab your drive and pop it in at a 45-degree angle. Then you want to push down, making sure that it passes this clip. Then you want to just turn this clip so it's secured on to the drive itself. Push down, lock it into place, and you're ready to go. Now, at the bottom of the device, if we pop this cover off, as you can see, we have a SATA connector allowing you to connect up a wide range of different drives. So we can connect up a 2.5-inch hard disk drive, like so, a 2.5-inch SSD, and even a 3.5-inch hard disk drive. On the other side, we have a couple of ports and switches. Firstly, we have a USB Type-C port, a 12-volt DC port for power, the power switch, a cloning button, and a clone direction switch. The USB 3.2 Gen 2x1 interface connects at up to 10 gigabits per second to provide up to 1 gigabyte per second of bandwidth for transfers. This enables fast and efficient transfers or cloning of most drives. This is great with most cloning software and transfer software that you have on your PC or Mac. However, this device also has an offline cloning feature, meaning that you can cut out the PC altogether. All you need to do is attach your chosen NVMe SSD and your SATA drive to the converter, plug in the power and then turn it on using the power button. Then using the cloning direction switch, choose if you would like to clone from the NVMe SSD to the SATA drive or vice versa. If you can't see which direction is suitable for you, we do also have it printed on the back of the device as well. Now press and hold the cloning button for 3 to 5 seconds and the cloning process will begin. You'll start to see the LEDs at the front, which indicate 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% start flashing as the cloning process proceeds. Once the last LED is on with the completed circle, the cloning process has been completed. Now, be aware that this process can take some time and will depend on a number of factors like drive size and the amount of data that it needs to copy. So just be patient for it to complete. This converter is a fantastic solution for anyone who's got an old drive in their PC and are looking to upgrade it to a nice NVMe SSD, as you can clone your drive very easily without the usual headache of upgrading your drive, thanks to this device. This is also great for anyone looking to make backups, as the whole process can be done offline, meaning that there's no need to use your system. If you want to go ahead and grab one of these, then I will have links down in the description below. But anyway, that's it for today's video. If you've enjoyed it, then make sure to smash that like button and also hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can stay updated with all our future videos. Anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.